Welcome back. CCP's meet on Tuesday formed a panel of 8 councillors to prepare action plan for pay parking. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado informed media that CCP is contemplating possibility of exempting Panji residents from pay parking by issuing passes for their vehicles. Meet is scheduled next week. CCP has asked GSIDC to prepare fresh DPR for beautification of Santines Creek, and the same would be placed before JNURM for revised funds. GSIDC has estimated total expenditure of 70 crore rupees.
Pay parking has been deferred for a very short while because the modalities have to be finalized. Like, we will give residents who are staying in the flat or in a bungalow, we'll give them one pass for one car, the four-wheeler, and one two-wheeler. So to work out in modalities, we have taken a group of 8 corporators from ruling and from the opposition. We are meeting next Tuesday, within 7 days. That whatever is the EDC rates of Government of Goa, that will be applicable to us. And I want to tell you that suppose you charge 4 rupees for 2 hours, or 4 hours for a two-wheeler. For 4 hours, whatever you are paying 4 rupees, we can go to different pay parking areas and park it in Panjim. Santines Nalla, the commissioner has explained to us, we had managed 19.75 crores under the Junum. Now when we handed over the file to the GSIDC for tendering and executing the work, they went threadbare on the file and found out that they had to, instead of laterite stone, they had to go for concrete. They had to go 2 meters deep to remove the silt. Then at Inox, opposite Inox, the culvert had to be redone. So all this thing is going to cost around 70 crores. So in principle we have said, go ahead, do the DPR.
Tarun Tejpal has appealed before the trial court seeking a clone copy of data from cell phone of rape victim girl. Tejpal has also filed an application alleging that crime branch has not provided all documents as ordered by the court. The trial judge Prudent has asked Tejpal if he has any objection, as being a former law secretary, he had earlier appointed special public prosecutor to oppose Tejpal's bail plea.
Tarun Tejpal has alleged that crime branch has not provided all the documents related with the case. Tejpal also alleged that CD of clone copy of CCTV footage of the hotel is not playing. Tarun Tejpal filed an application to provide him clone copy of all the data of the mobile phone of the victim girl. Tejpal's counsel contended that some data of that mobile phone will be used by the prosecution during the trial. Hence, he has right to have a copy to the data. The prosecution asked time to file reply to Tejpal's plea. During the hearing on Tuesday, Judge Pramod Kamath asked Tarun Tejpal if he has any objection if he conducts his trial as being former law secretary. Earlier, he had issued order to appoint senior advocate Saresh Lodlikar as special public prosecutor to oppose his bail plea. Tejpal has sought time to think about it, and the court has granted time till next date of hearing. The court has fixed 19 September for prosecution to file a reply. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.